the discussion started, and my friend tried to persuade them of the reality of the power and the wisdom of God, and told them that the power and the wisdom of God was spirit. And they seemed to be shocked when he told them what he did about the power and the wisdom of God. He said, I am not making this up. I will show it to you in Scripture. This was written by Paul 2,000 years ago. This is all in his dream. He's talking this way. And he tried to find a New Testament where he could turn to the first chapter of the first epistle of Corinthians, which is the 24th verse, to read this passage. And then he said, before finding the Bible, he says, in the Scripture written 2,000 years ago, the power and the wisdom of God was named Jesus Christ. And with that, it was such a startling statement that the whole reading vanished. They vanished, he awoke from it all, and he remembered what he had read. So may I tell you the whole purpose of life. If by God's law you own the earth, and many have tried to own the earth, great tyrants the world over the centuries have tried to own this earth. They've all failed. But if you did succeed in owning the earth, you'll make your exit anyway, like the little grass that withers and the flower that falls. Everything goes that way. But if you only fulfill Scripture, for the purpose of life is to fulfill Scripture, that I have come, and my only purpose is to fulfill Scripture. Scripture must be fulfilled in me. As you read it in the 24th chapter of the book of Luke. And he began with Moses, and then the prophets, and then the Psalms, and he interpreted to all of them, all that was said of him in Scripture. So Jesus Christ in man that is being formed, as he's being formed, he unfolds Scripture. So here is my friend who actually, in a state that you would call an involuntary state, he is quoting Scripture. He is quoting the 24th verse of the first chapter of 1 Corinthians. He is unfolding Scripture within himself by first assuming, I am Jesus Christ. Now another one writes the letter, and he says, I assume